In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a section of your diagram in Draw.io. First, open your diagram inside the editor so you can see the canvas and the shapes you want to work with. Once your diagram is open, you're ready to start selecting items. To select a specific section of your diagram, click on a blank area of the canvas, then click and drag your mouse to draw a selection box around the elements you want. This is the standard way to grab multiple shapes at once. One important detail to keep in mind is that only the shapes completely inside that box will be selected. So if part of a shape is outside the selection area, it won't be included. This is useful when you want to make a precise selection and avoid accidentally picking up nearby objects. If you need more control, there are a few advanced selection techniques you can use. For example, if you want to select shapes that the box merely touches, instead of only the ones fully contained inside it, hold the Alt key while dragging your mouse. This changes the selection behavior so that any shape intersecting the box gets selected. That can be especially helpful in crowded diagrams where elements are close together or overlapping visually. Another useful technique is adding or removing individual shapes from your current selection. To do that, hold Shift or Command on Mac and click on the shapes you want to include or exclude. This gives you a flexible way to fine-tune your selection without starting over. It's a simple method, but it can save a lot of time when you're adjusting a group of selected objects. You can also select shapes by tag. To do this, open the Tags menu by going to the View menu in the top menu bar and choosing Tags. From there, hold Shift and click on a tag name to select all shapes associated with that tag. This is especially useful if your diagram is organized with tags and you want to quickly gather related elements without manually clicking each one. If you want to select everything on the canvas, use the keyboard shortcut Control+, or Command+ on Mac. That instantly highlights all shapes in the diagram and is perfect when you need to move, copy, or review the entire layout. And that's it. Those are the key ways to select a section of your diagram in Draw.io, whether you need a basic selection, a more advanced one, or even a full canvas selection.